Welcome back to GadgetsPod, tried and tested. You're watching the LiveU Stream Smart Series. Quick note before we begin, this is the final episode of this series. If you haven't watched our earlier videos yet, we highly recommend checking them first. It will make this episode much easier to follow. Now, ready for something powerful? In episode 6, we will explore LiveU StreamTools, from multi-destination streaming to many more advanced capabilities. Let's get started. You can now watch this video in the language of your choice. Just click on the settings icon on your screen. Go to Audio Tracks and select your preferred language. Choose the one that works best for you. And enjoy the video. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back. This is GadgetsPod, tried and tested. Quick disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. The views shared in this video are based on personal experience. Your results may vary, depending on your setup and usage. So what exactly is Solo StreamTools? It's a cloud-based subscription service for your LiveU Solo Pro. It's designed to speed up your workflow, from capturing video to going live. With StreamTools, you can customize your streams. Let's quickly understand what that means. First, logos. You can add your brand logo directly on the video. This helps viewers recognize your content and builds a consistent brand identity. Next, multi-destination streaming. You can go live on multiple platforms at once, like YouTube, Facebook, or any RTMP platform. Then, Fallback Slate. If your internet drops, a backup graphic appears automatically, instead of a black screen. And finally, LRT bonding. This combines multiple internet connections to give you a stable and reliable live stream. All these features together make your live stream more professional and dependable. To get started, let's activate StreamTools on your LiveU Solo Pro. This is the first step before using its advanced features. Make sure your device is powered on and connected to the internet. Next, log in to your LiveU Solo portal using your credentials. Once you're in, choose the LiveU Solo unit you want to upgrade. On screen, you'll see the Add StreamTools option. Click on it to move ahead. StreamTools already includes LRT, so you don't need a separate LRT subscription. And if you're already using LRT, the remaining time on your plan will be automatically adjusted. On screen, you'll see subscription options. Select either the monthly or yearly subscription option. You'll also get an option to enter a promo code. This could be a discount code from your reseller or a license key for yearly service. Enter your code, then click Apply. Once done, click Next to continue. If you don't have a code, just leave it blank and simply click Next to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to add your payment info. If you're not using a StreamTools license key, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. This applies if no card is already saved. Make sure all details are correct before moving to the next step. After that, you'll reach the summary checkout page. Here you can review all the details. Check the final payable amount carefully. Make sure it matches your plan and apply discounts. Now tick the Terms and Conditions box, then click Subscribe to complete the process. You've now successfully subscribed to StreamTools. You'll be redirected back to your dashboard. On top, you'll see an orange banner confirming activation. Now, give it some time for full activation. This can take up to 1 hour. You can check your subscription details from the Subscription tab in the top right menu. Here you'll see all subscriptions across your units, even if you have multiple devices. You can also check your next invoice date and the total payment amount. Warranty expiration for all registered units is also listed here. You'll find your account credit balance displayed in this section. And from here, you can manage your plan or cancel your subscription if needed. Once the services are activated, you'll see LRT and StreamTools enabled on your dashboard. Turn on both the toggles to activate them. This confirms everything is set and ready to use. Now, let's add multiple streaming destinations. We've already covered how to add a destination in our previous video. You'll find the link right above and in the description below. We've already added YouTube. Now, let's add Facebook. On your dashboard, click on Select New Destination. This time, things work a bit differently. With StreamTools enabled, destinations are stacked. They don't replace your existing one. You can now add up to 3 destinations, all streaming at the same time. Now, let's set up the logo and fallback slate. We'll do this under StreamTools Options. On your LiveU portal dashboard, go to the StreamTools section. Then, click on the StreamTools Control Panel option to open all the settings. Next, you'll see the Program Preview window. At the bottom, click Configure Settings to continue. First, you can add a logo. This logo will appear directly on your live stream. On the top right, click Upload New Logo. Select your logo file from your computer. The logo will upload in a few seconds. Once uploaded, you can drag and position the logo on the 16:9 frame. If you're updating or moving it, press Update Logo to apply changes. Now, let's set up the fallback slate. On the left side, click Upload New Slate. Select your image from your computer. Once uploaded, you'll see its details on screen. This slate will appear automatically if your connection drops during the stream. Once this is done, we'll move to StreamTools Profile Settings. Here we'll configure bitrate, frame rate, and audio bitrate for your stream. Once everything is set, click Submit to apply. This will save all your StreamTools settings. You'll be taken back to the Program Preview screen. Here you can monitor your stream in real time. For audio, mono input is automatically converted to stereo output, so you don't need to worry about compatibility. You can also control the volume and even boost your input audio if needed. You'll get a live preview at 480p 15 resolution, along with audio and a VU meter display. This helps you ensure everything looks and sounds perfect before going live. Now, with all settings done, let's start streaming. We're ready to go live. Make sure your audio and video sources are connected. They should be properly linked to your LiveU Solo unit. To start the StreamTools engine, use the Go Live button in the Solo portal. Do not start from the device itself. Always use the portal for StreamTools streaming. When you start a StreamTools stream, the Cloud Engine needs a moment to initialize. This can take up to 90 seconds on first start, so don't worry if it doesn't go live instantly. In most cases, it's much quicker, usually adding around 30 seconds or less. Once it's up, your stream will run smoothly, with all StreamTools features active. You can check the status on the dashboard. Here you'll see upload speed and connection status in real time. This shows how stable your network is. If everything looks stable, your stream will work without any issues. Once your stream is live, head to the StreamTools Control Panel. Here you can monitor both video and audio in real time. While your stream is live, the LiveU unit is already doing its job in the background. It's continuously sending your video feed using all available connections. You can also verify your stream is live on multiple destinations. For example, check both Facebook and YouTube. Your stream should be running on both platforms. Now, let's test the Fallback Slate feature. I'll intentionally stop the video signal to the LiveU unit. As soon as the signal drops, the Fallback Slate appears automatically. This prevents a black screen and keeps your stream looking professional. Now I reconnect the video signal, and within seconds, the live video resumes. How cool is that? Packing everything into this compact belt pouch, clean, secure, and ready to go. Wrap it around your wrist and your entire setup stays with you. Quick to set up, easy to carry, always ready when you need to go live. And that's the power of a truly portable setup. Stream anywhere, anytime, with confidence. Thanks for watching GadgetsPod, tried and tested. See ya in the next one.
Want an expert help? Join our WhatsApp group here. It's free, helpful, and full of streaming pros like you.